Hi, I'm Michael Gleason with Skyworth, and we're here to show you what's new. We make two categories of products, basically outdoor TV, full sun and partial sun, and we make Canvas Art TVs. But let's talk about Canvas Art, because that's the most exciting thing here. What we do differently with our Art TVs is there's no big box in the back to worry about. We're just like a regular TV. But we have sizes 55, 65, and 75 inch. But what I really want to talk about is our Canvas Elite product, which is a new product here. The cool thing about this product is a thing we heard mostly from a lot of dealers is that we want great picture quality in our Art TVs. How can we accomplish that? And that's what we did here. So this is a separate line of product, comes in two sizes, 86 and 100 inch. And it's a higher end TV. It's a mini LED, 2000 nits brightness. It's got full array, local dimming over 1,000 zones, 144 hertz panel. So what does that mean? That means your contrast ratio from your whitest white to your blackest black is incredible. You have an incredible grayscale. And as you can see here on the picture, the black level and the colors are amazing. And then on the reverse of that, the art is beautiful with that as well. And prices are for the 86 is $4,000 retail, and the 100 inch, the only 100 inch Art TV in the world is $6,000, and we're the most profitable TV on the market. We're 100% CI. The other cool thing is because we're 100% CI, we don't change our prices from week to week. We'd love to hear from you. I travel in the territory of Progressive all the time, so I'd love to come out and see you. If you need any more information, contact your local Progressive salesperson.